Hello, everybody. Once again, I am back with another episode of Teaching Learning Concept. Children, till now we have learned multiplication concepts and the process of multiplication. Today, I will try to introduce the process of multiplication in a different way. Children, do you know what is lattice? A lattice is a series of lines crisscrossed with another set of diagonal lines. Lattice method is an alternative to long multiplication for numbers. Multiplication of two digit with another two digit number using lattice multiplication method. To solve these multiplication sums, at first we need to draw a 2 by 2 grid box. Also we need to draw the diagonals so that we can write the answers in these places. Here there are two factors 45 and 32. So we will write 45 the first factor at the top and the second factor 32 on the right side of the grid. Now let us start the multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. We will write 1 and 0. Now 5 multiplied by 3 15. So here we will write 1 and 5. Now come to the tens place. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. We will write 0, 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. We will write 1 and 2, 12. Once again I am telling you 45 is one factor, 32 is another factor. We are going to multiply 45 with 32. So we will arrange a 2 by 2 grid. First factor we will write at the top. Second factor we will write in the side of the grid. Now we will write the multiplication one by one. 5. First we will multiply the ones place with ones place digit. 5 to the 10. We will write 1, 0, 10. 5 3 are 15 is written here 1, 5, 15. Now 4 2s are 8 is 8. We will write 0, 8 and 4 3s are 12. We have written 1 to 12. The multiplication part is over. Now we will add. Okay. Now here only 0 is there. So this 0 will be only 0. Now 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay. So 4 we will write and 1 will be carried over. Here also you can write. One can in few cases few are writing here and few are writing there also. No problem. Now 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and here 1. So what is our answer? Our answer is 1 4 4 0 1440. We will check our answer by direct multiplication method. Yes, in direct multiplication method also we are getting the same answer that we have got in lattice multiplication method. So our answer is correct. Okay, now we will do the second question. The second question is 23 multiplied by 78. We will do the multiplication of 23 multiplied by 78. The first factor here is 23. The second factor is 78. Let us do it using lattice multiplication method. The same way here also we will write the first factor at the top, the second factor on the right side. Okay, and we will start the multiplication. We will multiply at first the ones place with the ones place number. So 8 3s are 24. We will write 24. Now 3 7s are 21. We will write 21. 2 8s are 16. Here we will write 16. 2 7s are 14. We will write 14. Understood? It's time to get the answer. Now we will add here 4. We will get 4. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and here 1 is there 1. So what is our answer? 1794 is our required answer. Hope you understood the lattice multiplication method. Now, children, do you know who is the father of mathematics? Yes, if you know, you post your answer in the comment section. It's playtime. Here, I will tell you one trick to know your friend's age. Let's start. Ask your friend to write his age on a piece of paper. Now tell him to multiply it with 2. Okay? Then ask him to add 1. After adding 1, you tell him to multiply the total by 5. Okay? Again multiply the total by 10. Now request him to write the answer. Strike off the last 2 digits from the number. What did you get? You are left with your friend's age. You can play this game with your family members also. Hope you like the video. Yes, don't forget to recite multiplication table. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you and have a good day.